Good evening, everybody. We are at my local Subway with the Hampton Quick Next. Yeah, see who meet that before. We are at my local Subway with the Quick Next. You might light up like it now. Yes. Why not? I show you the Christmas tree, guys. And this video is gonna be for Jack Peterson 7 and Ian Abel and for other people who is a big fan of him. Make Quick Next. And yes, people, you guys are gonna see the Christmas tree, so it's gonna be a little Christmas spirit. It's gonna look really nice. All the other Christmas decorations they have. It looks so beautiful. But yeah, you got the first fan. Then you got the second Quick Neck. Oh yeah, and I'm not sure you the decorations on the lights. Here's the second fan. Second Quick Neck. Guys, this video is going to be for Jack Patterson, Horsepower, Alex Jack 7, Horsepower 7, and Ian Abel, because they both like Quick Necks. And then we got the third one, which is on low. Really good quality fan. Look on the mirror, you can see the fan going. You got this thing right here. But yeah, that's all the Quick Necks. You know, these fans been here ever since I was a little boy. Yeah, this one's really old. If you guys want to watch, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.